How to monetize your data and sell it for a profit. Your data is valuable and you need to get paid for it. Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustlereliance. On my channel, our aim is to help the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. Over the past few years, I've actually made a solid amount of money by selling my data. At first, this might sound a bit questionable, but here's the reality. Tech companies like Google and Facebook are already selling your data to third-party clients without your consent.
The difference in the digital world is that every click you make, swipe you take, each product you buy, your friends, family, the things you like, all of that information is not only recorded and analyzed, but sold to the highest bidder.
So why not take control of your own data and actually make money for yourself if it's going to be sold anyway? One of the easiest and most passive ways to make money online has to be selling your data, because at the end of the day, your data is worth something. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 completely free ways to monetize your data. These applications and platforms are things I personally use and I still continue to use every single day because it actually makes making money online so easy. THX is an audio data sharing platform focused on monetization via audio data. It's one of the most easiest and simplest ways to earn passive income. By enabling automatic content recognition or location sharing, you can partake in TV, radio, and outdoor advertising research with ease. All you need to do is download the application, sign in with your phone number, and just let it run in the background. No interaction needed. Each device can generate 50p per day, making it an effortless way to earn some easy passive income. I cash out about £10 every single month from THX. Similar to THX, there's MediaRewards. It works the exact same way. Just leave the application running and you will accumulate XP on MediaRewards. This actually allows you to enter draws to win up to $100 every single week. Plus, you'll receive exclusive surveys that pay around $7 each, which is around £5. And that's normally every single week. And these surveys only take around 3 minutes to complete. It's that good. The application is designed to respect your privacy. It doesn't track any voices or conversations and is very light on battery usage. Best of all, for anyone who actually uses my link in the description to actually sign up to MediaRewards, you'll actually earn 200 points to start yourself off, which is around $2 in value. So you can cash out at £10 for 1,300 points. YouGov is a global research and data analytics company, and they actually offer a tool called YouGov Safe, allowing you to monetize your data with ease. Simply sign up for YouGov, download the YouGov Safe extension to your Chrome-based browser, and then sign into the extension, and then share your data. And you can choose where to share your data from. So you can share your shopping data from Amazon, you can share your watch data from Apple TV, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and many more. You can share your YouTube browsing history, as well as you can share your Steam gaming library to earn some easy income. By sharing this data, you can earn over £3 a week with minimal effort, and you can reshare the data every 7 days. What makes it even better is that you actually have the option in YouGov Safe to share your banking data. This might sound very concerning to start with, but YouGov actually uses FCA-regulated open banking to actually collect the transaction data and store it securely. All this data is then anonymized, and I've actually been using this feature on YouGov Safe for months now, and I'm actually earning 29p per day. It's not much, but it's totally passive. I don't even need to interact with the extension to earn this 29p. You can cash out at 5,000 points for £50 on YouGov. MSR lets you take control of your data and actually get paid for it. Download the application using my link in the description to actually get started. iPhone users can share their screen time every Monday for 50 cents, as well as you can share your iPhone privacy report on that exact same day for $1. That's $1.50 per week for almost no effort when using MSR. For monthly earnings, MSR also collects data which is very similar to what YouGov wants. So they want to see your YouTube watch history, your Amazon shopping data, and much more. And if you're already sharing this data with YouGov, why not sell it to MSR too and get paid twice? Cash out starts at £10, which is 1,300 points, and I cash out every single month with MSR. Datacy is a research company and data broker that lets you take control of your data whilst earning money every single time you share it. Instead of big corporations profiting from your browsing habits, Datacy allows you to decide who can access your data and rewards you when it's purchased. To get started, all you need to do is actually download the extension and all your data is stored anonymously. And if there's certain platforms you prefer to keep private so that they don't track, you can actually restrict that in the actual extension. So for example, if you watch paid from surveys, you might not want people to know that you're listening to someone read off a website. To boost your earnings on Datacy, consider adding high traffic platforms like Reddit, YouTube, and X. I personally created separate accounts on each of these to maximize my income on Datacy. You can earn up to $5 every single month on Datacy, making it an easy way to earn some passive income online, and you can cash out when you hit $30. As mentioned at the start of this video, big tech companies are profiting off your data, so why shouldn't you? By using the 5 platforms covered in this video, you can easily earn over £600 a year by just sharing your data. My top picks are THX, YouGov and MSR. These are my go-to platforms as they're constantly paying me money every single week for just sharing my data. As always, all the sites and applications mentioned are in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like, it would be greatly appreciated. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.
More data, please.